And
Mm.
then there's actually learning how to think like a developer, how to break down a big problem into a much smaller problem. That I think is the skill that a lot of people skip over. They're like, okay, I want to learn how to code. I'm going to learn the coding part, but they skip over all of the actual thinking part. And that's the part where they get stuck. We're like, okay, how do I build this project now? Because you never actually learned how to think like a developer and how to break these big problems down. And if you can break them down, like you mentioned, it makes the implementation an absolute breeze because all you're doing is just taking all this knowledge in your brain and just barfing it out onto a page, following essentially a list of instructions.
Someone that was a bit more
Hmm.
senior than me and was educating me and guiding me through that journey in there as well. I think when you're starting out on your own, you very much focus on how do I get this done before you try and figure out your own thoughts.
Yeah, no, if you can find someone that is even just a week ahead of you in like learning to program, I think that's a really important skill. I know it's not always possible to find someone, but if you can find someone that really helps with accelerating your learning process, because you can kind of, jump ideas off